Picture this. You're carving through the sun-soaked bends of Spain's Costa Brava, the road twisting left and right like it was designed by someone who hated straight lines. And you're riding a motorcycle that looks like it ate a Z900 for breakfast. You glance in a car's mirror and the rider behind you looks absolutely menacing. Now here's the twist, that bike costs just $7,199. That's the all-new 2026 Kawasaki Z650S. And today we're breaking down everything you need to know about it. What's up everybody, welcome back. Let's get straight into it. So Kawasaki took their already solid Z650 and basically asked one question. What if we made it look way more aggressive without turning it into a beast that beginners can't handle? And the answer is the Z650S. The S doesn't mean a power upgrade or exotic suspension. It stands for style, presence, and a whole new attitude. The first thing that hits you is the styling. Kawasaki has cranked up their signature Sugomi design language, think Predator on the prowl, and the result is stunning. There's a sharp LED tri-lamp front end and these massive side cowlings that give the bike broad, muscular shoulders. It genuinely reads as a much bigger motorcycle in traffic. The build quality is excellent too, as we've come to expect from Kawasaki. Nothing cheap, nothing rattling, just clean, confident body work from top to bottom. Now let's talk about the riding position, because this is where the S badge actually earns its keep. The handlebars are 40 mm further forward, 10 mm higher, and 30 mm wider than the standard Z650. That might sound like small numbers, but it completely transforms how the bike feels underneath you. You get this perfect balance of sporty leverage and everyday comfort. On a 100-mile mixed ride through city streets, winding roads, and motorway sections, the Z650S never once made us uncomfortable. There's also a slightly higher, well-padded seat that adds room for bigger riders without making shorter riders feel stranded. The engine is the same proven 649cc parallel twin from the Z650. And honestly, that's not a complaint at all. This motor has been around for nearly 2 decades, and Kawasaki knows exactly how to make it sing. It puts out 67 horsepower with a torque curve that feels strong right from low RPM all the way to the top. It's smooth, it's refined, virtually vibration-free, and it delivers the goods whether you're short shifting through traffic or revving it hard through a set of bends. A cable throttle keeps things direct and natural, no electronic filter between your wrist and the engine. On the tech side, you get a 4.3-inch TFT display that now automatically switches between light and dark modes depending on ambient light, Bluetooth connectivity with the Kawasaki Radiology app, 2-mode traction control, and Continental ABS. Simple, smart, and well executed for this price bracket. The handling is genuinely impressive. The lightweight chassis is agile and responsive, making the Z650S feel much more nimble than its big bike looks suggest. The one real frustration is the stock Dunlop Road Sport 2 tires, which limit the feel and feedback that the chassis is actually capable of delivering. Budget rubber on a bike with real dynamic potential is a missed opportunity, and a tire upgrade should absolutely be on your shopping list. If you want more. Kawasaki also offers a Performance Edition at £8,599 that bundles in a road-legal Akrapovic titanium exhaust, a quick-shifter pillion seat cover, and additional styling and luggage accessories. For riders who know they want those features, the bundled price makes real sense. Overall, the 2026 Kawasaki Z650S is one of the most exciting bikes in the middleweight naked segment right now. It looks like twice the money, rides with genuine confidence and comfort, and is clearly built to hook younger riders into the Kawasaki family for life. Budget tires and basic suspension aside, this bike absolutely delivers on its promise. Drop a comment. Would you go standard or Performance Edition? Hit like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Ride safe.